Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use Autodesk Meshmixer and how to edit your meshes and photogrammetry that you have created. So in a previous video I created a photogrammetry file using Meshroom, and I'll be using that same file in this project to edit it and clean it up. So to use Meshmixer, you just have to download Meshmixer from the Autodesk. It is free and very simple and quick to install. Once it's installed, you simply just launch it. This would be the interface. I'm just going to say import, and then importing my textured mesh, the OBJ file, into Meshmixer. Right, so there's my file that I created. Let's just rotate this so that you can see it better, and this is what it looks like over here. So to edit it and clean up the file, there's a lot of tools on the left hand side of the tab, such as import, mesh mix, select, sculpt, stamp, edit, analysis, and shaders. So I'll mostly be using select and sculpt, as well as showing you some of the edit and analysis. So for select, there's a brush tool. You just select and paint over the areas that you want to clean up, like that. You can also outline them, which makes it simple and easy. But for today, I'll just be highlighting the areas that I want to get rid of. So brush, highlight there, and then deleting, and just cleaning up this little edge. Which is pretty nice and easy to use. Delete that, and like that. Yep. And for sculpting, you just click on sculpt. You can edit the brushes, change what you would like to do. You would like to push and pull. I think for today I would like to flatten it. So you just take the brush, click on it, and you can edit and change the terrain, smooth it out, fix up any hard and rough edges, which is really nice and easy. There we go. You can also flatten it, as you can see over here, or do dramatic push and pulls. Let me just do this. I'm going to pick the shrink. There we go. So you can fix up the edges really nicely, really quickly. And I think it's a very useful skill to have if you have a lot of meshes that you're working with. Just close that. You can also change the intensities of it, and the strength, the size, and the depth. So yeah, that's what my mesh looks like currently. Let me just delete this edge. I'll draw a line around it and then press delete, and now it's gone. Another fun tool to use is the edit and the analysis. So with edit, you can use any of these. You can make it a solid, a hollow, you can mirror it, and this is a lot of cool tools you can use. And you can generate complexes, auto generate. Yeah. Further analysis, you can also inspect your mesh. It'll point out any errors and flaws in your mesh, and then you can just fix them by saying auto repair all. Yep. So yeah, I don't really like the way that one turned out, but this is how I would have done it. When you're done editing and fixing up your mesh, you can simply just go to File, Save As, and then save the file as a Meshmixer file, and I'll save it as an OBJ file.